I'd love to see what market structure strategy looks like for China. Do you cover like BABA, BIDU?
This is China, right? So let's see
what this looks like.
And as you would expect, so what this data tells you is at options expirations in September, whoever behind the scenes knows more than all of us about, maybe not you, Dennis, about what the Chinese government is going to do, had already made their bets. Because this is there's a dip here. So supply is only 40%. Contrast that with the S&P 500, 48%, and it's been at 50. So people made long bets right there. And now it's 10. Supply has risen well up into the 60s, but that is filling buy orders. There is a shoe that drops. There isn't enough supply in the market to meet what the money needs. And so market makers create stock. They're exempt under Reg NMS from having to locate shares to short because they maintain an automated market so that the prices flow freely and you can trade any place. If you got a marketable trade, it's going to get filled if it's 100 shares. 1,000 shares, different deal. But that is going to have a consequence ahead. Where is it? But as you would expect, Dennis, huge surge in demand. How sustainable is it? I don't know.
That's the question. It's hard. So things can stay at 10 a long time, though, sometimes.
They can. Oh, absolutely. NVIDIA could go a month and a half at 10. It's not doing it now. It's not doing it now. But
what about BIDU? Does it look the same? BIDU?
Let's have a look.
I'm picking on my stocks, but
yes, you should. You would expect it's very similar. Yeah, look at that. I mean, BIDU's even bigger. Massive covering of shorts right into September options expirations. 18th, 19th, 20th were all options expirations dates. Then what would that be? 23rd, new options traded. Everybody squared the books on the 24th. So look at this massive surge in demand that preceded the move in price. That's why it's helpful to you, traders. What you want is something that will tell you what's coming. And so if you have a massive, this is what we call a divergence, rising demand, falling supply, they're moving inversely to each other. And that's what causes the big surge in price. Right. Well, you can use that all the time to your advantage and then take the gains. I mean, if I'm looking at this, is it over? No, it's not over. But if I were trading this, I'd be looking at what happens into October expirations. Could be the end of it. I don't know. We'll find out. It depends on how much belief people have in the capacity of a devalued currency to restore prosperity. And I'm telling you, it is zero. But we do it all over the planet, and you could take advantage of that and trade risk assets profitably because of it.